I love chili crunch, but it's often too spicy for me. So I made a milder version that's perfect for summertime. You can turn your simple scrambled egg into a delicious donburi or make a quick spicy noodle dish. Let's get started. This recipe makes a small amount, perfect for adding a flavorful kick to your meals without overwhelming heat. First, slice a long green onion with your mandarin. You can use an onion, leek, or shallot as a substitute if you prefer. Next, add sliced garlic. I'm using a spring garlic that I sliced and froze earlier, which has a beautiful aroma. You can use fresh garlic and slice them with a mandarin. The thinner, the better, as it will crisp up quickly during the cooking. Pour over the neutral vegetable oil. I'm using a grapeseed oil and start cooking on low heat. It's important to cook slowly to evaporate all the moisture from the onion and garlic. If you start with higher heat, the outside will burn before the inside is cooked. Your goal here is to remove all the moisture and crisp up the onion and garlic. This process took about 10 minutes for me. Once it's done, turn off the heat and use a strainer to transfer the crispy bits onto a paper towel to drain and set aside. In a heat-proof container, mix the dry ingredients. I used 1 part Shicimi Chili pepper, a Japanese blend containing 7 spices and ingredients, and 1 part of paprika powder as a nice peppery aroma without the heat. I also add shiitake powder instead of MSG to boost umami, and if you don't have a shiitake powder, add chicken bouillon powder instead or just skip it. Heat the oil until it's really hot and pour over the dry ingredients. This step activates all the flavors, making the chili crunch incredibly delicious. Let the mixture cool to the room temperature. Once cooled, add sesame oil, fried garlic, and long green onion crisps. And there you have it. Your mild chili crunch is ready to use. I love to pour it over tofu or soft scrambled egg on top of the rice, mix it with some noodles, or use it as a dipping sauce for fried dumplings. Play around with it to enjoy your daily meals with this delicious mild chili crunch. Let me know what are you going to use this mild chili crunch. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!